In this video, I'm going to review one of the newest pack called Title Pro V3 offering by Easy Edit Pro. Easy Edit Pro is one of the best and powerful author on VideoHive. They are creating amazing pack for Premiere Pro, After Effects and for the other video editing softwares. So you can check them out, link in the description below. And also Easy Edit Pro doing giveaway on this channel. So stay tuned with this video to know how you can participate and win a pack for free. Title Pro is all around best title pack for you if you are a beginner or even pro. This pack contains more than 1500 elements with over 23 categories. The project is compatible with 4K, so your title will look sharp even on a big screen. So without further any ado, let's jump into the video and let's see what they are offering. Easy Edit Pro offering a free plugin for both Windows and Mac. By using this plugin, you can use their pack easily. I mentioned the plugin link in the description below. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere. The first thing you need to do is to install their plugin. Once you install the plugin, all you have to do just go to the Windows, and here you got an option of extension Easy Edit Viewer, and you just need to add .ev file right here and your pack is automatically appear right here. And here we have our Title Pro Premiere Pro version. This pack is also available for After Effects. You can check it out if you are using After Effects a lot. So here we have 23 different categories, and the first category is minimal one line, and here you can see it's just a one line title right here. So these titles are helping you a lot if you editing YouTube videos, and you can also use a double line title right here. Here we have a title for around 5 lines. Use it if you want to provide more information with the title. Typography is really important if you are edit YouTube videos, history videos or some kind of broadcast, then typography is really important. And the minimal 5 big text is actually for the broadcast or some kind of history videos, so you can use it according to your use. And here we have a lower text that you can use in every kind of videos that you are making. And here we have a core titles that are really good to use. It's a simple one, but it's really effective to use in your videos. And here we have a sale titles that you can use in your Instagram stories. If you want to make your Instagram stories more animated, then you can use this sale titles in your stories. And here we have a call outs for highlighting something. And here we have a digital titles that you can use in your videos if you are making videos something like about for computer or some softwares. So you can use these titles. This look really cool to use. And here we have a glitch title category, which is really amazing. So some people ask me how I can create a glitch intro, because I really like glitch intros, glitch titles. So this pack is really help you a lot. If you are a glitch title or glitch intro lover, then this pack it will help you a lot. Here we have a kinetic titles that are really amazing to use. You can use it and just improve your typography in your videos. This title will help you a lot if you have a short interval of time and you want to complete your project faster, then this pack will help you a lot for sure. Here we have a liquid one that you can create in After Effects. It took a lot of time, then you can just one click and add this liquid in your project. So let me try one of this liquid. I really like this one. So here is the project that I got. Here is the file. So I actually not install all the fonts, so I really suggested you please install all the fonts before using it, because it may be cause some problem if you are not install the fonts before using it. And here I'm just go with the essential graphic panel, and here you can see we have all the compositions that we can change. We can change the resolution, we can change the text, titles, fonts, everything that we are really need to do in our project. So I'm just go with some different font like that. This font is really good to go. Here we have a main composition that you can change its scale, its positioning, its vertically, horizontally, you can change everything. Here we have a effect configuration. You can also customize the distortion, red, green, blue, everything. So you can change each and everything with this pack. If you have this pack, you can animate the text with the background. So I have a good news for all of you Easy Edit Pro doing giveaway on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below which pack of Easy Edit Pro you really like and why you want it. I mentioned their website link in the description below so you can check them out and explore all of their packs. Result will be announced on their Instagram, so make sure you follow them there, and also I will post result on my community tab as well. So good luck for the giveaway. And here we have also some different categories, which is a scene, ready scenes. If you don't have a good background, you can use all of these scenes in your videos and you don't need any background anymore. Here we have a color, that is simple one but really creative to use. And here we have a cinematic title category, which is really cool to use. If you are making vlogs, then this title category is really help you a lot, because if you are making travel videos or vlogs, then these titles will help you a lot and change the game of your video. Here we have some countdown. Here we have a storms character, that is really great. Here we have some details title category. If you want to add some more detail in your video with a title, so here is a category for you. And here we have a viewfinder, which is actually in a horizontal. It's actually a fake camera view, you can say. It's a fake camera view you can add in your videos if you really want to do. And here we have a vertical one that you can use as an Instagram stories if you want. And at the end we have some backgrounds, which is gradient light. Here is something like that. Here we have a dark one that I really like, because I really like a dark background, so that is really helped me a lot in my videos. Here we have some shape backgrounds, which is in a light version, and here we have a dark version as well. Here we have some tinted that you can use. And here is the last category we have is background shape in a darker version, which are really amazing backgrounds that you can use in your videos and make your videos looking really great. Title Pro is all around best title pack for you if you are a beginner or even pro. This pack contains more than 1500 elements with over 23 categories, and also they are offering more than 700 .ai vector files for branding that you can use in Illustrator. The project is compatible with 4K, so your title will look sharp even on a big screen. This title will help you a lot if you have a short interval of time and you want to complete your project faster, then this pack will help you a lot for sure. And everyone know even creating a single animation took a lot of time, and they are offering more than 1500 elements and you can customize each and everything according to your requirements. So I really prefer you this pack, and it's really worth of money. I mentioned the link in the description below, you can check it out. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any question about this pack or Premiere Pro or After Effects. Please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.